Here is the kitchen. The kitchen have several pain points. One pain point is this oven. There's no functional. So we're going to show you after. So starting from a dining area, so it's the closed area is kitchen. Kitchen, we make two main things. One thing is exchange the door. The other thing is that when you enter to this kitchen, so the routine is very interesting. The routine is that when you're washing the food here, there is for oils and for sausage, so it's very easy to take from here. And also, these two baskets is reserved for the cookers for different type of sausage. And it's a maximum big use of here. So down here is a garbage can. And also when you're washing your fruits, so you need something for here. And here you have some easy take food, the onions. So it's a very convenient. So I think this is kitchen. The most important is that the cooker, the people, when the routine here, the functions is super important. And this kitchen, I personally think this is a very good functionally and good for the usage for the cookers.